I'm Lana Fontenot, and this week I wrote about what it really takes to onboard a new hire. My first day at a new job, no one knew I was coming. My supervisor was not there, and I ended up sitting at a folding table, the kind you use for a crawfish ball in the South, wondering what I had gotten myself into. That experience stuck with me, and it truly shaped everything about how I onboard my people today. In my article, you'll learn the difference between orientation and onboarding, plus how to use the window before someone's first day to build trust and reduce that anxiety that makes new hires want to bolt before they even start. I'll also walk you through the exact first week schedule I've used with my own team with downloadable templates you can put to use in your shop right away. Because in a sector with this much turnover, we cannot keep handing people a laptop and just simply wishing them good luck. Read it now on Volt.